Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Shopping Ads with Merchant Center step by step clearly. To enable Google Shopping Ads with Merchant Center, start by signing in to your Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the Google Merchant Center website and following the prompts. Once logged in, make sure your business information is complete. Navigate to the Business Information section in the left menu. Fill in your business name, address, and website URL. Next, click on Products in the left-hand menu. Select Feeds to create a product feed for your store. Click the plus button to add a new feed. Choose your target country where your products will be sold. Select the type of feed you want to create, either Standard or Express. For most users, the Standard feed is recommended. Follow the prompts to name your feed and select your content language. After that, you'll be directed to choose a feed input method. You can select from options like Google Sheets, Upload, or Content API. If you choose Google Sheets, download the template provided. Fill in the product details as instructed in the template. Make sure to include all required attributes like title, description, link, image link, and price. Once your feed is prepared, upload it back to Merchant Center. Return to the Feeds section and click on your newly created feed. Follow the instructions to upload your file. After the feed is uploaded, allow some time for Google to process the data. You can check the status of your feed by going back to the Feeds section. Once processing is complete, look for any issues or errors that may need fixing. Address any issues highlighted by Google to ensure your products meet their requirements. Next, navigate to the Marketing tab on the left-hand menu. Select Shopping Campaigns to create your first campaign. Click on the plus button to start a new campaign. Choose Shopping as your campaign type. Select your linked account to connect your Merchant Center and Google Ads. Set your campaign's budget and bidding strategy according to your advertising goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.